Oh, it's my jam. All right. 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is your time. It is always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe. This is TradeIntuition, where I look very orange. I just noticed that. I look very, very orange. But it's okay, though, because sometimes the market looks orange. No, that's not right. Red. Sometimes it looks green. Right now it looks both, red and green. Hopefully you're in successful trades, whether they're green or red, going long or short. Speaking about longs and shorts, we just finished a very, very cool, and I just closed it out too. Well, I just finished Trading Wars. Trading Wars is very fun. We go there every Monday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we have a blast. Crypto Face was on there, not trading, but he was on there, and we did some work. So if you're not familiar, this is Trading Wars. So make sure to subscribe to them. Make sure to like, comment, all that fun stuff. We do this every Monday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Then the loser goes on Thursday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and faces the goulash, which is Crypto Face. However, this Thursday, of course, with the Bitcoin conference, it will not be held this Thursday, but it's going to be like double, 2 people facing face. That's next Thursday. But it was pretty cool. We had a blast. So of course, you know, we're all here. Here I am talking. We got Crypto Crow, Johnny Crypto, Crypto Face, Crypto Blood, Crusader, a whole bunch. Of course, the host is Keeper. We have Crypto Crow. Now, Crypto Crow lost the most last time. He had a face against Crypto Face, and Crypto Crow, he brought it. And I was telling Crypto Crow prior to the show that it was like he was backed up against the wall and everything depended on it. Everything. He threw punches left and right, uppercuts, the whole nine, and he straight out of the gate, like he just annihilated Crypto Face. And Crypto Face had to, you know, try his absolute best. And because the pressure was on, he was doing crazy leverage. Even he said it too. He's like, man, this leverage is just, but he was just trying to catch up. And it was a great show though. Crypto Face, of course, he's the man. He's who everybody has to go against to face elimination or to go back into the rotation. And Crypto Crow, he ended up winning. So he came back on the show today. Today was a pretty good show. So with that being said, join us Mondays at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's crazy. It's crazy. And of course, we're all put in situations that are extremely difficult. Trading with leverage. And of course, we're forced to trade in a certain period of time. So we have to let the trades come to us, but we also have to force some of the trades sometimes, just so we can be in a trade. So hopefully we can win and not lose. Of course, we went over this really quick. For the week, it was nice and green. Most of these were definitely meme coins. We have Doge, we have Dog with Hat, we have Floki. So we had a Bonk, Popcat. Then if you go to the daily, not so good. You know, we have some 16%. Now, just remember, guys, you're going to have these going green, day after day. Then they are going to pull back. They're going to pull back. And yeah, we'll definitely check out Brett. So Brett is another meme coin. So we're going to check that one out as well. And just know that the coins will come down because people are doing exactly what you want to do. They are taking profit. If you're not taking profit, don't worry. Enough times have you seen it go up and then eventually come down, you'll realize, man, I got to take profit. Any profit's better than nothing. Then speaking about profits, let me show you this. Well, let me show you this real quick. Let's go to the hour. Uh-oh. Lots of reds, but not too bad. But we're going to go over some charts. Again, if you have any charts you want me to do, let me know. Let's go over some of the trades that I did. Man, straight out the gate. Let me bring this up a little bit. Straight out, can you see it? Nope. Joe, your face is in the way. Get out of here, face. All right, get out of here, face. So my first one for today was clay. So this was a very, very small market cap coin. This is how small. 534. I didn't know it was that small. I just saw that it had dumped and I was like, hey, cool. Let me go ahead and put a short in this one. And let me see how much money I can get because it's moving kind of fast. Granted, I should have looked. This won't happen again. I should have looked at the market cap. Ooh, man. And it wasn't moving. It wasn't moving. Then it started to move. And I'm plus like 20 bucks right away. Then I'm negative 50 bucks. Negative 80. Then negative 50. Negative 40. Negative 100. It's like, whoa. And I'm trying to sell it. But because it's such a low market cap, and I'm doing a limit sell, it took me forever and a day to chase it. I was like at $90 negative, then went to 110. I'm trying, and a little portion of my trade's closing. Little portion. What I needed to do was market sell. But I was afraid because by this time I saw what the market cap was. It's like, man, if I market sell, this is going to probably make me like negative 180, maybe 200. So I just kept with it, moving up my limit order. Finally, it sold down $150 right off the bat. Right off the bat. So then my next trade was 20x, made $50. Next trade was 15x with a different coin. This one too took me forever to get out of, and only $5. But I said, you know what? Let me just get out of it. I don't like the fact that it took forever for me to get in, and right now I'm trying to get out. It's not letting me. So this one, Bitcoin, I did 50x. This one was like a 40, 50, 60, 40, 50, 60. So about $70 trade. But because I was doing 50x, I only got $26. Dumb fees. So then I did 20x, but this time more money. And same thing, $33. Dumb fees. But I got, a little bit of money there. Then on this one, I did 20x again and $42. This one, I could have probably done a little bit more. But I was like, let me just get these profits and re-enter. And then I tried to do one more time and it was done. It was done already. And it started coming down. And I was going to sell it at negative $2. I said, oh man, it's really close to breaking. Like, let me just get my $13. That way I'm down like 20 bucks for the day. And went down $22. So all in all, for the day, I was down $45, which isn't too bad because I am still up. I am still up $12 from the original amount that they have us trade. So I'm still up $12. So this is good. Now, granted, this is not my money. So don't think, Joe, you said you only have $14. This is not my money. This is money they allow us to trade with. So again, we're being sponsored by Fairdesk, and this is this. Now, of course, I will get a link to Fairdesk, an affiliate link. So please hold off for that. I forgot why I stopped doing it. I think it asked a bunch of questions. Like, I'm too busy. Anyway, so that is all that. Now, on to Bitcoin. Joe, that was a wrong introduction. Yes, that's what I do. Wrong introduction. But I do want to say hi to everybody. And I want to thank you for showing up to... I just want to thank you for showing up to Trading Wars and showing your love. Appreciate that greatly. Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin right now is in a bearish pattern. This is a rising wedge. And of course, if you've been with the mentor that I've been with, everything's 68% chance. So rising wedge has 68% chance breaks to the downside. But if it breaks above it and maintains, expect it to do some work because it's supposed to come down. Here, we labeled this one and we labeled this one. We ran it through. And then sure enough, it came up. This wasn't, like this price action wasn't even here yet. It broke up, found support, 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 came down. We have our range high, our mid range, and our range low. And of course, our main level. But this is what we were measuring right at this point. It came up. Once it broke down, it came right to our mid range, came back up. Of course, I did another video for the VIP members. I said, all right, guys, this is what I see it happening. I see it going possibly up to here, and I just missed it. Possibly coming up to here. I don't know what's going to happen. So I must stress that. I don't know what's going to happen. Anything can happen. Coming up to here, coming down, bouncing off of this, coming back up, creating a lower high, and then coming down. What is it doing? It went up to this area, came down, bounced, just like how we thought, coming up, but it's not doing a lower high. Right now, it's showing strength. So what I'm doing right now is, oh, wait, you can't even see my face. Everybody's going to leave now. Hold on. Where's my face at? Oh, here it is. I'm all doing hand gestures and everything. You can't even see me. So what I'm doing is I'm actually giving you the thought process of looking at the momentum. I heard feedback. Oh, it's probably Alex. So anyway, here, it did not create a lower high. It's actually, so far right now, it's right at the current resistance. If it comes up, and it's always, we're always adjusting to the most recent data that's provided. This could come up to our resistance level, come back down. It would be very bullish if it comes up again, breaks through our resistance, and then finds support and then continues up. So this would be the area to potentially open longs or potentially get into Bitcoin. You know, depending on your strategy and everything else you're doing. This was our plan, but now that Bitcoin's doing this, now this is our plan. We have to be like water. We have to be very fluid with what the market gives us, because if we create a bias in our head to where, oh, it's going to come down, and because that was my biggest, my biggest hurdle when I first started was I would create a bias saying, oh, it's a bearish pattern, this should go down. So when it would break up, oh, it's okay, it's going to come down. And it would continue up. It's okay, it's going to come down. And then I would get stopped out because, well, I'm shorting it. You always have to be very fluid, just like water. Whatever the market gives us, the most recent data is what we use. So here we see it breaking up. So it may get rejected here, come back down to support, break through, maybe find support on this trend line, and then break up. So this is very important. We must be like water when trading. Always adjust to the most recent data, because data is always printing. Data is always printing. All right. Let's see here. So let's look at Brett. Let's look at Brett. This is pretty much all I want to say with Bitcoin. Bitcoin, man, these trades were hard. Not going to lie. These trades were really hard. So let's look at Brett. Let's look at Brett. And then this one goes. Man, I was looking at this one too for a long, just for giggles. 1%. 20x leverage, 20%. Okay, moving on. Let's look at Brett. BRETT USDT. Okay, let's go with MEXC. Is there a MEXC on this one? Nope, only futures. Okay, let's look at KuCoin. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. And let's see here. Manuel says, I've been trading Brett on the 1 minute. What? From 1398.7 to 14. Wow, all day. Long, short, long, short, long, short. And it's been following the pattern until it doesn't. Maybe check it out. How I'm doing. Make sure it's not just luck. Okay, so on the 1 minute. Good Lord. For the pattern. It depends how long you've been trading it, but I'm assuming this trend line Oops. This trend line. That's what I'm assuming. And then you have support right here. Another support right here. You do another one right here. Another one right here. Okay. Let's see here. And we'll look at also you're doing futures. But anyway, this KuCoin. Yeah. Looks good to me. Now, one thing that you want to do also, like whenever you're trading these coins, like I would have used this one. So let's just say the price action is right here. We don't know what happened. And don't ever, just because we know what happened, don't ever base your thought process on what happened. Because then you will be like every other person on YouTube. Well, I would have done this because you know what happened. So here we have this touch, we have this touch, we have this almost touch and this touch. So this is our trend line. This is our uptrend. So once it breaks our uptrend, be careful because it could go sideways, could go down, or it could come down and fake everybody out and do a bear trap and come back up. So here we can see that it did come down to our, well, we wouldn't have had this here yet. Even though this is here, we wouldn't have had that there yet. Then we would have played this. Now it broke below. So now we're thinking, okay, actually I wouldn't have this here yet, but I'm pretty sure I did it because of something else. Oh, I did it because of this. So now we have more stops right here. So this is actually a zone. Now I don't like teaching leverage because a lot of people here, they are learning how to trade or sharpening their skills. But what I'm showing you here can be applied to everything, just at a larger scale. So please remember that. And then same thing with the charts that we give setups for. Those are spot setups. However, if you trade leverage, you can also trade leverage. Granted, none of this is financial advice. Okay, I have to say that. It's in my contract. But I do have to say that. Let's see here. So now we're looking, if it breaks above this, maybe get rejected here, come back down. So we kind of, but we don't have this trend line yet. Oof. So it was getting rejected here, and I would have missed this. I would have missed that huge. Right now, we're getting rejected again. Oh, it's a 1 hour. Nobody showed me. Nobody told me nothing. Same scenario. We have this right here. Same scenario. Once it breaks below, well, now we think about shorting, especially because we have a level right here too. So everything that I'm showing you can be used on any time frame, can be used with regular spot or leverage. Everything I'm showing you. So now we have this down, this pattern coming down. We have this. And I guess we'll do this right here. It's ugly. But this is what you get when you get 1 minute. So if it breaks above, so here we're getting rejected again. And then not only that, but it broke this level right here. And this is what I teach. Here we stopped. Okay, now we enter a short. And then we probably have another bid higher in case it comes up. So that's what we do. Okay. Let's look at Brett's spot trade. Let's look at Brett's spot trade. Brett's USDT, and this is going to be on Bybit. So let's go to a 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour time frame, I would wait, of course, for it to break above this level right here. I would actually set an alert right here 4-hour candle must close above 15,024. 4-hour candle close must be here. Nice and easy. So this is the level it needs to close. Do a 1, and just so that everybody is on the same page, copy, paste. There you go. So it needs to break this level. Set your alert here. 4-hour candle must close above this level before you think about entering the trade. Nice and easy. Very good. Let's see here. What's going on, guys? Smash the likes. Yes, please. Definitely smash the likes. I do appreciate you smashing the likes. It does help the stream significantly. And we are doing really good on the likes. Grant says, Joe, your thoughts on airdrops? I'm very afraid of them. I am so afraid. I almost got scammed, guys. Ooh, story time. I almost got, or pillow talk time. I almost got scammed. I think. I don't know. What was it? What coin am I in? Let me check. I have a few accounts. What coin? Pre-search. So check this out. TradeIntuition. Okay. Oh, look at how cute. That's me doing a pre-search node setup guide. How cute. But this is on the actual community site. So maybe I didn't get scammed. I don't know. Do I have a space in it or something? And do I have an underline? Do I have a dash? Let me see what my name is on this one. Oh, it's one word, TradeIntuition. That's what I had. Oh, I know. Oh, wait, let me do this. Don't want one word, so copy. Don't want to show you everything. Oh my gosh. Hold on, guys. Sorry. Let me go to the people. Let me go to this. Let me go to this. They deleted or something? Huh. 1 second. Oh, I had to do at TradeIntuition. That's what it was. So at TradeIntuition. Something's fishy. Where are the posts that they had posts in here? Let me show you what I'm looking at. There was post in here about winners, about pre-search, about airdrops. Oh, let me type in airdrop. Airdrop. What did this one say? Thank you. I figured it was scammy. Oh, it was. And I almost got scammed. I think. Important announcement. We have become aware that unauthorized person. Yeah. Ooh, I almost got scammed, guys. Oh, they probably took off the. They probably. But this was a long time ago, though. Because I had a message from like 2 months ago. I had a message like 2 months ago. Let me come back over here. I just want to show you. So there was an airdrop. Maybe it wasn't a scam. I don't know, but I'm very afraid of airdrops. or was it in? Major airdrop. I don't know. Anyway, people were showing their results, you know, $4,000 worth, $5,000 worth. And well, anyway, there was a thing for me to click on for the airdrop. So I was like, huh, let me check on this, because, you know, for more information, click on it. So I clicked on it, and right away I got a message from Brave Browser saying it's unsafe. Do you want to continue? I was like, let me look some more. So I started looking some more, and everybody was saying, you know, thank you so much. You know, I got $5,000 worth, and thank you so much, I got 4,000. I was like, that sounds like a lot of money. That sounds like a lot of money. But everybody's saying, what's up, Pre? Just want to thank you for the. So people got airdrops. And I actually won twice. I think I won twice. I don't know how to search my name, though. I tried searching, didn't show it. But if so, I got like maybe like $10,000 worth of pre-search. I don't know. I'll have to look at it. See here? Maybe you can talk directly to him via private. Oh no, something else. So I don't know. But I'm very scared of airdrops, because you connect your wallet and they can drain your wallet. So all your coins that you have in there can be drained. So for me personally, I am very fearful of airdrops. People do them all the time. And if you do them, then I recommend you set up a different wallet so that if they do drain your account, there's nothing in there. But I'm very scared of airdrops. Let's see here. I see here. You say, I don't really understand them. Is it worth looking into? I don't do them. I know people do, and I know people make a lot of money from them. I'm just too scared. I worked way too hard for my money, and I don't want it to get scammed. And even if, let's say I put it in a different wallet, let's say I go to the website and it puts a virus on my computer, or it does a keylogger, or it does anything, you know, that's no bueno, no good. Let's see, Crypto Candy says, I will never touch airdrops. Yeah, it's just scary for me, like really scary. I don't. Let's see, Crypto Candy says, if I did, I would use a fresh wallet only for that. Yes. And that's what I recommend to everybody. A fresh wallet only for airdrops. Yes. And not only that, but all these play to earn games. What I used to do back in 2021, I would have my wallet, my MetaMask wallet, and inside that wallet, I would create a sub wallet, and I would put, you know, play to earn the game name. And then I would do another play to earn, and I'd create another wallet for that. So whenever I connected the wallet to play the game, potentially it was only connecting to the sub wallet, not all of them. So that was an extra protection that I did. Not only that, but I had multiple wallets in general, which reminds me, I still need to log into all of them. I have so many passwords. I literally have 3 books worth of passwords. I don't like it. See here, that's enough for me. Crypto Candy, don't need any more explanation. I will not do it. Manuel says, the only airdrop that was not a scam in the entire 6 years I've been in crypto was Uni. That's how I look at it, yeah. Grant says, I have no clue what they are. Yeah, there was one time I was looking at my wallet, and this was actually on the Binance Smart Chain wallet. I think it's called a different name now, but anyway, that's what it was called. And you know, I had, you know, a couple $100 in there, you know, whatever. And then all of a sudden I had $8,000 plus. I was like, what? No way. And I happened to be talking to my buddy who was also in crypto, who's gone through 2 or 3 cycles. And I said, dude, I just got airdropped $8,000 worth of this coin. He, Joe, don't sell it. Don't do. And I said, why not? He goes, dude, what you're going to do is you're going to go look it up on the internet. where to sell whatever, because it's not on any exchange. Then you're going to connect your wallet to that DEX, decentralized exchange. When you connect your wallet, it's going to drain all of your funds. Oh. So then there was a hide feature. So anytime I would get airdropped any coins that I did not buy, I would hide it, hide it, hide it, hide it. Yeah. Crypto Candy says, a grant, keep trading. You'll make thousands. Yes. No one wants you to get rich, but you. Yes. Crypto Candy says, well, with Joe, as an exception. Yes. And this is a great topic for new people to be aware of. Yes, definitely. Everybody wants to scam you. Everybody. Even these mentors that promise you all these hopes and dreams and, you know, big gains and everything else. Can you make it? Yeah, sure, of course. But you have to ask them, like, how many trades are they posting? How, you know, but they won't tell you though until you join the group. I gotta tell you how much I do, you know, but everybody wants to take your money. They really do. These airdrops, I don't trust them. The pre-search one, since I was already in that group, I might, one thing that got to where it was really fishy is that you couldn't post anymore. Oh, now you can. See on the very bottom, now I can write a message. Before it didn't allow anybody to write a message. And I was like, whoa, wait a minute. Was this a scam? Did I get put into a group? So, oh man, I don't even have it here. But there's ways to stop from getting put into groups. If you're in the VIP, not only do I show you how to use TradingView, not only do I show you how to trade, but I also show you how to be careful with Telegram. So if you are in the VIP, go to the pinned messages. I show you how to stop being added to groups. And that's the first thing I thought of was, well, maybe they added me to a group, but I mean, I have the settings to where you can be added to the group. Now I can't show you on this because it will show my personal data and I don't want to show that, but I do have it in the pinned messages in the VIP group. And remind me tomorrow, I'm gonna write it down too, but remind me tomorrow and I will, well, let me see if I have it. Because I don't want to be like, oh, well, you need to join my group to, no, I don't do that stuff. Let me see if I can find it really quick. I might have it saved under Telegram. I don't, what's this? Oh, look at this, perfect. Perfecto mundo. Look at that. You don't even have to join my group to know this stuff, guys. Stop being added to groups without you knowing. Step number 1, you come over here to this little hamburger or the menu. Step number 2. So let me start that over. There we go. Oh wait, let me do it like this. 1 second. Open with photos. That we can see the whole thing. All right, so here we go. This is going to be for my video. Now play. Okay. Here are 6 steps that every Telegram user needs to know to stop being added to groups. Most of these groups will scam you. Step number 1, you want to go to the hamburger, or also known as the menu. Step number 2, settings, privacy and security. Then groups and channels. Then who can add you to the groups? Nobody. Or if you have special contacts that you like that you've added to your contacts, you can have only your contacts. Then you save it. This will not only save you from being added to groups, but potentially from being scammed. For more information, tune in every single day, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now let's make this money. Okay. I don't know. The last part was kind of cheesy, I guess. Anyway, but that's what you do. Screenshot this, guys. Screenshot this. Like, this will make you money and save you money. So I'll give you a heads up. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I gotta do it again. Sorry. So put a 1 in the chat if you did a screenshot. Put a 2 in the chat if you know I'm gonna do this again. Okay, here we go. Here are 6 easy ways to stop. No, let me see. See, I hate doing this because I got to do it again and again. Stop being added to groups that you don't want to be with these 6 easy steps. Step number 1, you want to go to the menu, upper left-hand corner, then go to settings, then privacy and security, then groups and channels, and then this is the part that's very important. Who can add you to groups? Nobody. Or if you have contacts that you trust, only your contacts. And then save. By doing this, it's not only going to save you time and energy and frustration from being added to groups and having to remove yourself, this will potentially save you from being scammed. For more information, tune in every single day at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you so much, and we'll see you on the next video. Okay. I had to give my cheesy little smile. All right. So that's it. Good stuff. Let's see here. CryptoCan says, it will save you a world of hurt. Yes. Okay. Moving on. Let's see here. What else, guys? We got like 10 more minutes. 10 more minutes. Do you have another coin? Did y'all happen to see me on Trading Wars? Man, I can't believe it. The very first trade, I was down 150. Good Lord. But I came back, though, to where I gained $100, so I was only down like 50 bucks. But, man, that first one. So, mistake. Okay. Next time, I will definitely check the market cap. Definitely. See, Joe was a beast. Man, I'm just glad I wasn't in the bottom. That's my goal. It's not to be the very last. That's my goal. If I can be in the plus, man. And I would have been the woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda. But I know my mistake that I did. I didn't know what the coin was, for one. And I okay, it's going to go down. And nope. Man, it shot up quick, too, because it's only a 500 and something million market cap. All right. Moving on. Let's see here. What else? Oh, I got a deep dive on this one. Oh, you just put it right there too. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and do this. This will be the last one. This is a deep dive. Now, guys, if you want me to do a deep dive on one of these coins, let me know. And what we do is we do fundamental analysis, tokenomics, the chart, all that fun stuff, if we have time. Or if you just want to know, how can I make money? Let me know that too, and then we just go to the chart. So here we go. We have this saying, hey, Joe, can you please do a deep dive on CGBT? It's a real-world asset in the ARB ecosystem that is trending right now. Also, AI project. Very nice. What do you think about it? Could it do well this bull run? Well, it did well last time. Let's go over here. And let's go ahead and go to this. I always go to CoinMarketCap, and this is ChatGPT. And let's go ahead and pull this up. So let's move this over here. So this is an 87 million market cap. First thing we want to do is go to all. So it was released more than likely in 2023. Did nice little pump, retracement, didn't flatline. Started coming up again. Nice pump again. This is what we want to see in 2024. At least one of these, preferably 2, but at least 1. And it started coming down, and then now it's looking pretty good, in my opinion. And I think it's almost ready to enter too. It's right at resistance. But anyway, let's see here. It was down 69% from 4 months ago. Not bad. Most of these coins from 4 months ago are down anywhere between 50 and 70. 50 and 70. Let's see here. This is DeFi, smart contracts, Launchpad, AI, research, a lot of stuff. Where can you buy this at? This is important. Where can you buy this at? Bybit, Gate.io, PancakeSwap, KuCoin, MEXC, BingX, the list goes on and on. MEXC, wow. They have done their work. They have done their work. I remember when this one came out, man, we made a lot of money. Let's see here. What else are we going to look at? We're going to look at their websites. Their website. Got to come over here to this one. What is this? Well, that's loading. I'm also going to copy this. Copy. And let's do this. That one's still loading. I don't like the fact that it's taking so long to load. It may be my internet, and I believe it's probably not. So let's go here. Let's go back over here. Okay, that took forever and a day to load. Don't like that. Let's see. Chain, GPT. Provide me with a daily crypto market something. Okay, how to deploy smart contracts. Okay, so it's Chat GPT, but Chain GPT. Okay. Blockchain AI. I like it. It's the source of news. Hello. Hello. Advanced AI trading, knowledge and guidance. Web3 smart contract auditing has always been a bottleneck for our startups. Solves the problem in a few seconds. Okay. Let's see, for NVIDIA, they got $100,000 grant. Nice. $350,000 grant from Google. This is not messing around. This is not messing around. What else? We have AI news. This, for me, this is so important. The future of Web3 news is here. Our advanced AI model scans the web and curates short articles on trending topics every 60 minutes, informing you effortlessly. Sold. Where do I buy? See, AI NFT generator. It says everything. Advanced AI trading. This literally has everything. Okay, I've seen enough. Staking and farming. Okay. Choose between one of our plans. Free plan, limited access. Then you have a pay per prompt, premium access. Then per request, and then 1 to 5. So this has a use case. I like it. I like it a lot. Stake, I love that even more. Okay. So I don't even see it anymore. I don't need to see it anymore. So vesting, let's look at the vesting. Vesting to me is very important. So we're going to have a vesting period in 18 days. That means there's going to be a token unlock, potentially dropping the price. So you may get this at a cheaper discounted price in 18 days. So here it tells you the total number of tokens percentage wise, the total unlocked and the total locked. Then of course here it has more information, but what I like doing is coming all the way down here and it shows you every month on the 10th, they're going to be releasing tokens issued to the private round 1 and the reserve. So here they will be giving out, let's see here, unlock of 23.19 million, which is approximately 2.32% of the max supply, approximately intended, or on the 10th. Is that right? 18 days. Okay. So on the 10th, they're going to be doing this every single time. And then, of course, here you have round 1, reserve. Then here you have reserve, DAO, or DAO. And then it goes on and on. So you can look at that if you like. Okay, so now let's look at the actual coin. So let's do chain GPT, USDT. Let's go to MEXC. Let's go to daily. And what I like to do is I like to go and just see what has previously happened on the 10th. So here's the 10th. So we're going to do Alt V. Then we're going to look at the 10th again. Alt V. 10th again. Alt V. We're going to do this. 10th again. And then 2 more times. 10th again. Just so that we don't create a bias. All right, so from the beginning of the year, we had token unlock. Price came down. Then the next month, token unlock. Price went up. The market was looking really good in February and in March. Here, even though in March the market was still looking good, we had a huge sell-off. Because guess what? Everybody who had here that didn't sell was selling at a huge profit. Then the market is great, like really, really good in March. And it came all the way down. And April is when the market wasn't looking too hot. Released tokens, dump city. And then here, went sideways, came down a little bit, nothing too major. Here, tokens were released, came down a little bit, nothing too major. Here, tokens were released, nothing too major, kind of going sideways. So we can expect here, possibly, Alt V, possibly the price to come down. So now looking at this, now this is going to be a long-term hold. So what I would personally recommend is go ahead and put it on your magnet tool. Here is a pivot, potentially. We don't know yet, but it's starting to be a pivot where we could set an alert right here, just in case. Now, I personally would wait till after the 10th to enter this trade or enter this investment. I would wait till after, just because, let's say the price comes up. Your alert goes off, your 4-hour candle closed above this level that we mentioned, 1858. You enter the trade, it's going up, tokens get released, dump city. Now you're held holding these coins. Now, if you're an investor or a trader, wait till after the 10th, maybe even the 11th or the 12th, see where the price is at. Let's say the price is way up here. Do not kick yourself in the butt saying, oh man, I should have entered when it was way down here, because you don't know what's going to happen. This is after the fact. Oh, it went up 40, 50%. I shoulda, coulda, woulda. No, because this could have also have happened. And I guarantee it, if this would have happened, you would not be saying, oh man, I should have entered. We always do that in hindsight. We always do that after we know what happened. So what I would do, wait till the 10th, a day or two, see where the price is at, then potentially enter. Because if it does this number, then what you want to do as an investor, you want to wait, just like how we would do a regular trade, wait till it goes and it breaks one of the most recent highs. Now you can enter. Now you hold it, and then when it does pull back, then you can add to your entry, you know, on your next paycheck, maybe 2 paychecks from now, whenever you want to. That's what I would recommend. Do I think this coin is going to do amazing? Yes. Why? Well, because of all the research we just did, all the fundamental analysis we just did, all of the tokenomics we just did, all of the, just everything that we looked at. I believe that this token will do very, very well. Now, let's go from here to here. And these are short-term trades. I'm sorry, short-term targets. So let's just say you bought it here. You know, you're looking at an easy, almost 5x for your first target if you were to take this as a target. Or what you could do, and this is what I'm going to do, is I'm actually going to wait till the last quarter of 2025 to sell my tokens that I'm invested in. So that's very important. I'm actually waiting. So I might sell some October a third, September a third, November. By the end of November, I will not hold any long-term investments. And you will be surprised at $100 how this could turn into possibly 1,000, maybe 1,400, maybe even more, just depending on, let's just say there is another coin that does exactly what ChainGPT does, but it's newer and it hasn't partnered with Google yet, and there's talks of it. Can that pump it 3, 4, 500%? Yes. Same thing with any other partners. It's a newer coin. It's got more hype. Maybe it's got more socials behind it. Twitter, Telegram, Discord. That could potentially do way more than this one. But at this current moment, I think this one is a very nice play. Now, with that being said, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, but I do like this one a whole bunch. And you know, you have more targets up here. So let me show you. These are my settings. So if you want, you can screenshot this. And the main ones, of course, 0.5, 618, 382, 236, and then a 1. And then all you do is you just throw a 1 in front of these numbers, and then a 2 in front of these numbers, and then a 3 in front of these numbers. And you can go as high as you want. Now, granted, don't expect to get a 75x because, again, we don't know what's going to happen. But for me personally, I don't care what it goes to. I will be selling a portion in those months that I mentioned. So, of course, screenshot that and moving on. So here was your first one. And then like your second one could be right here. 11x. 11x, in my opinion, is very doable. Very doable. Due to the market cap only being, and I'll bring it up again, 87 million. Which is nothing. It's a baby. And having the backers that it has, I think this could do very well. Nice job on that one. Let's see here. Manuel says, CryptoFace sponsors a funded account called Breakout. Yeah, I've seen it. I trust him when it comes to projects. Yes. He has a huge reputation to protect. I've been doing it now for a week and it's not bad. You should check it out on his video. Yeah, I've seen him. Man, this dude is so crazy funny, racist, puts down people, funny, like crazy. Yeah, he's really funny. See, Manuel says Breakout Props, I believe is its exact name. Yeah, he talks about it on his live streams. I've seen him. Let's see here. Tug says ultra late to the party, but just stopping by to smash a like. Thank you, man. Appreciate you. And speaking about that, that's it for the show. I do thank you guys very much. We'll do this again at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And of course, I absolutely love doing deep dives. As you can see, I can only do one per show. So if you do start it off at the very beginning of the show, of course, you know, we'll do some of the setups first and then the deep dive, or maybe we might do the deep dive first and then some of the coins. But just to let you know, we can only do one because I go pretty in depth and I give you my thought process on it. But I do thank you guys very much. If you haven't already, definitely smash the like. Definitely let people know about the channel. Let them know that I'm different. Let them know that I'm not here to scam them. You know, just let them know that I really want to get rich with you, not because of you. I really do. That's all I got, guys. I do thank you so much, and we'll see you tomorrow. 3, 2, 1, bingo bango. Uh-oh. Whoa.
Talking, spilling all your secrets, sounding like a little girl, pushing 50, still ain't crypto rich, probably
pushing 50? That's rude.
Just face
True.
It. You a shade trader. Just face it. You a shade trader. Just face it.
I love this song so much.
Just face it. Obsessed with others' lives. Why you need the spotlight? Wasting my time. I shouldn't give you advice. Still trying to figure it out. I got a life, no time for this fight. Seems like you're out of loop. Maybe quit YouTube.
Quit YouTube.
Pillow talking, spilling all your secrets, sounding like a little girl, pushing 50, still ain't crypto rich, probably lit in some basement.
I'm like a little girl.
Just face it, you a shade trader. Just face it, you a shade trader. Just face it, you a shade trader. Just face it.
Oh man, I'm a poopy trader. Oh well. All right, guys, thank you so much, and enjoy your day. Maestro, play some music. About 10 seconds.